Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix League of Legends VC runtime 140 error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing VC runtime 140.dll error on your League of Legends, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Guys, in this I will show you two steps. First step is to download VC runtime 140.dll from your Google. Here you need to type and hit enter. You can see the first VC runtime 140_1.dll free download. Just click on this, scroll down a little bit, you can see the download. Just click on download. And the WinRAR folder has been downloaded. Just click here, open the download folder, right click on this folder and click on extract all. Click on extract. You can see you will find VC runtime 140_1.dll file. Just right click this, copy, go to C drive, go to Windows, scroll down a little bit. In this you need to find syswo64. Open this folder and paste it here. Click on continue. Then go back, open the system32, right click and paste it here. And click on replace the file in the destination. Click on continue. Then close this window. And the second step is you need to download Visual Studio C++ and DirectX. Type here Visual Studio C++ and hit enter. You can see this is Microsoft Office official website. Microsoft official website. Just click on this. Scroll down a little bit. You can see download Visual Studio C++. In this you can see versions. You can download whichever version you want. You can see professional. I'll select the professional. You can see the download has been started. Then go back. Then download DirectX. You can see this is also Microsoft official website. Just click on this, select the language and click on download. You can see the DirectX is also downloaded. Now we will need to install these both softwares. First we will install Visual Studio. Just click on yes, and it will download some of the files from the internet. Now you can install DirectX also. Just click on DirectX, click on yes, click on I accept, click on next, click on next. You need to wait for some time to complete this installation process. Just click on next. Guys, you can see Visual Studio has been installed. Guys, after completion of this installation, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix League of Legends VC runtime error on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.